Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we have something truly special in store for you. If you're passionate about cars and always on the lookout for ways to enhance their performance and style, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon. These products are not only functional, but also add a touch of sophistication and aggressiveness to your vehicle's appearance. We've scoured the market and gathered the very best, so you don't have to. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the best-selling hood scoops and vents available on Amazon. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the impressive 7 Sparta Hood Latches aluminum hood catch, designed for Jeep Wrangler JK/JKU models from 2007 to 2017, JL/JLU models from 2018 to 2022, and Jeep Gladiator models from 2020 to 2022. These hood latches are the epitome of strength and style, delivering both function and flair to your rugged ride. Imagine cruising down the highway or tackling rough terrains without the annoying hood flutter. With 7 Sparta's robust hood catches, you can say goodbye to the unsettling wobble. These latches are engineered to withstand high winds and keep your hood securely in place, ensuring a smooth, worry-free drive. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these hood latches are built to last. They're not just strong, they're durable, designed to endure the elements and the test of time. Each set comes with 1 pair of hood latches and all the necessary hardware, making installation a breeze. No drilling, no hassle. Simply replace your original hood catches by following the easy instructions and video guide. In about 30 minutes, you'll be ready to hit the road with confidence. But these hood latches offer more than just practicality. They're an expression of your individuality. Their unique design is perfect for the off-road enthusiast looking to add a personal touch to their vehicle. Whether you're a fan of the rugged Rubicon, the stylish Sahara, or the sporty Wrangler, these latches will enhance your Jeep's look and performance. And let's not forget the convenience. The silicone pads are labeled JK for JK/JKU and JL for JL/JLU and Gladiator, ensuring a perfect fit. It's thoughtful details like these that make 7 Sparta stand out from the rest. So, if you're ready to upgrade your Jeep and showcase your style, the 7 Sparta Hood Latches. Aluminum hood catch is the perfect choice. Strong, adjustable, and easy to install, it's a must-have for any Jeep owner looking to combine functionality with a touch of personal flair. Sliding into the 4th spot in our top 5 countdown, we present the RT/TCZ Hood Latch Lock Catch for Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. This isn't just any hood latch. It's a blend of strength, style, and top-tier performance that transforms your Jeep's look and function. Compatibility is key, and this product delivers. Whether you own a Jeep Wrangler JK from 2007 to 2017, a Wrangler JL from 2018 to 2024, or a Gladiator JT from 2020 to 2024, these hood latches have you covered. No matter the year or model, the RT/TCZ hood latch is designed to fit perfectly. What sets these latches apart? Their unique shape and sporty appearance. Imagine giving your Jeep a bold new look that stands out on any trail or highway. These hood latches aren't just functional, they're a statement. Crafted with precision, they add a sleek, aggressive edge to your vehicle's front end. But it's not just about looks. Quality matters, and the RT/TCZ hood latch excels. Made from die-cast electroplated stainless steel and high-strength aluminum alloy, these latches boast excellent heat and scratch resistance. Picture yourself tackling harsh terrains, knowing your hood is secure, and hood tremors are a thing of the past. These latches are built to withstand the elements and the test of time. Installation? A breeze. The bolt-on design means no complicated procedures, no hassle. Fully adjustable, these hood catches serve as a robust direct replacement for OE catches that degrade over the years. In no time, you'll have them installed and ready to go. And let's talk peace of mind. RT/TCZ stands by their product with a satisfaction guarantee. Not 100% satisfied? Return it within 30 days for a full refund. No questions asked. Plus, enjoy premium support and a full year of aftercare service. It's more than a purchase, it's an investment in quality and reliability. Elevate your Jeep's style and performance with the RT/TCZ Hood Latch Lock Catch. Durable, stylish, and easy to install, it's the perfect upgrade for any Jeep enthusiast.
Securing the number 3 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon, we introduce the Pack of 4 Universal Aluminum Vehicle Hood Pins. These quick-release latches are the epitome of versatility and durability, making them a must-have for vehicle enthusiasts and beyond. Let's dive into the details. These hood pins aren't limited to just vehicles. Their wide usage spans cars, cabinets, furniture, industrial applications, marine uses, body panels, hoods, deck lids, air purifiers, and so much more. The possibilities are practically endless. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, these hood pins are designed to withstand the test of time. With an outer diameter of 1.25 inches, they boast exceptional anti-corrosion properties and high-temperature resistance. These are not just pins, they are a promise of durability and reliability. Each package includes 4 aluminum quick-release hood pins. That's right, 4. Enough to secure multiple applications, providing you with both value and peace of mind. Imagine the stability and security they offer, holding your hood tightly in place as you navigate sharp corners or execute thrilling drifts. Safety and performance go hand in hand with these robust pins. But what truly sets these hood pins apart is the after-sales service. Have questions before or after your purchase? Simply send an email and the team will provide you with expert advice and support. They are dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction. In summary, the pack of 4 universal aluminum vehicle hood pins is more than just a purchase. It's an upgrade in safety, durability, and versatility. Perfect for a wide range of applications, these hood pins ensure your hood stays firmly in place, giving you confidence on every drive. Elevate your vehicle's performance and security with this exceptional product.
Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon? If so, don't just cruise by. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to keep your ride in the fast lane with all our latest updates. Number 2 on our list of best-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon is the versatile and durable hood pins kit for cars. This essential accessory is designed to provide unparalleled security and stability for your car hood, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Hood pins are crucial for securely fixing your car hood. They ensure a perfect closure, even on the bumpiest roads, significantly reducing vibrations. Picture yourself driving with confidence, knowing your hood is firmly in place, providing a safe and comfortable environment. This kit is designed to be universally compatible with most car models. The thread length at the bottom of the hood pin is 4.14 inches, with a diameter of 2.5 inches, and the racing lanyard stretches to 24 inches. This makes it suitable for the engine covers of a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs on the market. Quality is paramount, and this hood pins kit doesn't disappoint. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these hood pins are built to last. They offer high-strength, rust-resistant, and durable performance, ensuring your hood stays secure under all conditions. In the package, you'll find everything you need for installation. 2 threaded pins, 2 hooks, 4 nuts, 2 washers, 2 racing lanyards, and 8 small screws. Installation is straightforward, but remember, do not over-tighten the hood pins to avoid warping. A careful installation process ensures long-lasting performance. And if you ever have questions or concerns, rest easy knowing that excellent after-sales service is just a message away. Each hood pin is meticulously tested and inspected before delivery, guaranteeing quality and reliability. Should you need assistance, customer service is ready to provide support and answers. In conclusion, the hood pins kit for cars is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security and stability. Its universal fit, exceptional material quality, and comprehensive packaging make it a standout product. Secure your car hood, minimize vibrations, and drive with peace of mind. This kit is the perfect addition to any vehicle. Finally, securing the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon is the 2 PCS Universal Hood Air Vents. These sleek and stylish vents are the perfect blend of form and function, making them a must-have for any car enthusiast. Quality is paramount with these hood air vents. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, they are not only lightweight, but also resistant to scratches, stains, rust, and corrosion. These durable vents are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring they maintain their pristine look and functionality for years to come. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing your car is equipped with top-tier components that are built to last. Size matters, and these vents deliver universal compatibility. Measuring 13 by 7 inches, they fit a wide range of vehicles, from the sleek Q50 to the robust C300 and many more. Whether you have an engine hood or any flat surface, these vents are designed to fit seamlessly, enhancing your car's aesthetic appeal. Installation is a breeze. With adhesive tape bases, these hood air vents require no extra tools. The double-sided tape ensures a secure fit without leaving any damage or scratches on your car. Picture yourself easily upgrading your vehicle's look without the hassle of complicated installation processes. But it's not just about looks. These vents offer creative decoration, making your car's appearance more eye-catching and cool. They also serve a practical purpose by reducing the impact of wind speed, improving driving stability, balancing the car, and increasing safety. Think about the difference these vents will make in both style and performance. And for peace of mind, every purchase comes with a 12-month warranty. If you encounter any quality issues or have any questions, customer service is ready to assist you. This no-risk purchase ensures you can buy with confidence, knowing that support is just a call or email away. In conclusion, the two PCS Universal Hood air vents are the perfect upgrade for any vehicle. Combining reliable quality, universal compatibility, easy installation, and enhanced aesthetics, they are the ultimate choice for car enthusiasts looking to boost both style and functionality. Elevate your driving experience with these top-rated hood air vents and enjoy the perfect blend of performance and style. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling hood scoops and vents on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.